If you are wondering if you can edit a slow motion video on a Realme 14T, then the answer is partially yes. And what I mean exactly is that if you go, for example, to the Photos app and if you try to edit a slow motion video, of course it is possible to do so. We can trim, we can crop, etc. We have filters, and there is also the speed option, which allows us to adjust the speed of the slow motion video. However, the result is not really that great because, for example, if I use the 1.5x, then the video feels laggy, it is like stuttering, it is definitely not smooth, and the same goes with pretty much anything else. You can pretty much see frame by frame what is happening, it is not that smooth. So if you wish to adjust, for example, the slow motion effect so that it is applied only in selected part of the video, then you cannot really change that as well. This is the pretty much only thing that we can do in terms of the video speed. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.